This is so much more real. Oh, the optics are awesome in this thing. This is so freaking cool. You won't believe how cool this thing is. We're gonna test it out, make sure it actually works here in the pool. Right now, the most important thing that I wanna talk to you about is comfort, ease of use, and quality, right? This is so comfortable. You just slide it on your head, right? No fighting with it. Pull this, right? Woo! Ready to go. But when you're done, all you do is you pull this. When was the last time you took off a snorkel mask that was that easy to take off? So cool, but we got to put it underwater, make sure it works. Have you considered the option of a more professional full-face snorkel mask as opposed to those budget ones you see all over Amazon? So this is the best option. This is from SMACO. This is their 8058 full-face snorkel mask, and this is their C variant of that, the 8508C. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it out, make sure it's actually worth it. It is a substantial upgrade in terms of these. Everything I've heard is it is absolutely worth it, but I'm not gonna say it's worth it until we use it. So let's start with the basic. Let's open it up, see what it comes with, and then let's take it for a swim. Oh, so legit, look at this. It has 5 adjusters here on the strap to keep a good connection on your face. Another nice feature is you'll see here at the top, everybody's gotta have a GoPro mount, and that is a perfect place for it. Oh, the optics are awesome in this thing. The optics are wild. So now I really was feeling like I was liking those full face masks, the cheap ones, the plasticky ones where you could see so much. But I gotta say in 2 seconds, you could see so much in here. You can't see as much, I'm not gonna lie, say you definitely lose a little peripheral vision. The glass, the legit optics is so much nicer than those plasticky ones. Here is the snorkel, let me throw this on so you can see. This is so much more real. Oh, I can't wait to get this in the pool. Now, obviously, as you're looking at me, I have a full beard, so I am generally a really good test on whether these things work or not. I am enthusiastic, I feel like it's gonna work. So you'll hear the complaint about the cheap ones is frequently they say there's like a lot of dead space in a full face mask where the CO2 can build up. You can see on the inside there how it separates off your mouth. So it has like a breathing section here, which is completely separate from the section where your eyes are, so that you don't have that dead space, which they worry about in terms of the CO2 with those bigger, cheaper masks. So, okay, one thing left to do. Let's take it for a swim, see how it goes.